I'm going to show you how to install Bootstrap to your app. Let's get started. Open the link given in the description, or you can also search Bootstrap, Bootstrap version 5, download Bootstrap version 5, scroll down. You should copy this CDN via JS deliver. You should copy this and you should paste it to your app. I'm going to just create a new app and I will name it as demo.html. And now I'm going to write the HTML code. I'm going to give it the title as demo. Paste that code and maintain some distance because it will just mix it up. And I'm going to just name the section as bootstrap or download link. Now you can add any bootstrap packages to your app. Now let's search navbar bootstrap version 5. So now, and I also gave this link in the description, and if I scroll down, I want to add this navbar to my app. I'm going to just copy this code and I'm going to add this. So now let's see the output. So as you can see here, we have successfully added the bootstrap to our app. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day ahead.